Value stocks are a type of investment that can be very profitable for the right investor. They are stocks considered undervalued by the market, and as a result, they offer more value for investors. This article will discuss value stocks, how to identify them, and why they can be a wise investment choice. What does a value stock mean? A value stock is any stock that the market considers to be undervalued. Because it's trading at a discount, investors can acquire more shares and reap more profit when the stock price rises. The broader market comprises a wide range of stocks that can be divided into two main categories: growth and value. Growth and value stocks are two distinct categories of investments. Growth stocks, as the name implies, are growth companies with strong potential for growth and appreciation in their market value. Value stocks typically represent more established companies with stable income streams and less dramatic growth prospects. Growth stocks can generate higher returns over time than value stocks, but they also come with more risk. Growth companies are often unproven and can be volatile in the short term. On the other hand, value stocks tend to have more predictable growth as they represent mature companies that have already achieved some success. To learn more about investments, check out our previous post. What are the top 10 value stocks? Here are the top 10 value stocks: Microsoft Corporation, Walmart Inc., Johnson & Johnson, AT&T Inc., JP Morgan Chase & Co., Bank of America Corp., Cisco Systems, Inc., Citigroup Inc., Goldman Sachs Group Inc., Apple Inc. Each of these companies has solid fundamentals and is considered undervalued by the market, making them attractive investment options for value stock hunters. With some research and careful consideration, you may find more opportunities out there in the market that could yield you higher returns over time while still being prudent with your investments to minimize risk as much as possible. Value stocks can be a fantastic strategy to broaden your portfolio and increase returns. With some research, you can find lucrative investments that offer more value than the market is currently giving them credit for. Whether you're a novice or a veteran investor, it pays to look into value stocks. One way to better understand which investment to put your money in is by conducting technical analysis. Technical analysis is a great tool that helps you understand market trends and helps you gain insight into what is happening in the markets. Out of the numerous technical analysis tools, there is one that we wholeheartedly recommend. Affiliate disclaimer: Moovmynt is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and its content. Learn more. Take your trading to a higher platform with TradingView. This intuitive platform offers an unbeatable array of features, perfect for all experience levels, from novice traders just starting to veterans looking to optimize their strategies. So don't wait any longer. Get ahead and check out TradingView today. To learn more about technical analysis, check out our previous post. 3 best value stocks for beginners. Apple Inc. Considered one of the top tech stocks, Apple is an excellent option for beginners due to its track record of steady growth and dividends. JP Morgan Chase & Co., a leading financial institution with a wide range of services. JP Morgan is an attractive stock for those who want to get into the banking sector without too much risk. Johnson & Johnson, this healthcare giant has been around since 1886 and continues to be a strong performer in the market, making it a good choice for beginner investors looking for reliable returns. What are value stocks, and why should beginners invest in them? Value stocks are stocks that the market has undervalued, meaning they have the potential to appreciate and yield higher returns when compared to other types of stocks. Beginners should consider investing in value stocks because they offer greater potential returns over time with a lower risk than some other investments. Growth investors seek out a growth stock and aim to reap the rewards of capital appreciation. Value stock investors must be prepared to wait for their investments to pay off, as it may take time before the market recognizes its true worth. With patience and research, value stocks can be rewarding investments with great returns. Tips for buying and selling value stocks. Don't be afraid to wait for the right moment to buy or sell your value stocks. There is no rush, and you should look for good market conditions that could lead to a profitable trade. Please research before investing, as it can help you make informed decisions about which stocks have potential upside and which might not be worth investing in. Monitor the stock performance regularly to know the best time to purchase or sell for maximum returns. Diversify your investments across various industries and sectors, so you only put some of your eggs in one basket. Value investing. Value investing is a strategy investors use to identify undervalued stocks and purchase them to make a long-term profit. It is based on the premise that some stores may be undervalued due to market sentiment or other factors. With careful research and analysis, investors can determine which stocks will most likely gain value over time. Value funds are a type of mutual fund that invests in value stocks. They can provide investors with diversification, potential capital appreciation, and income. Value funds tend to invest in stocks undervalued by the market or trading at a loss relative to their intrinsic value. Value stocks can be defined as those with an intrinsic value more significant than their current market value. Value investors look for stocks with strong fundamentals, such as solid balance sheets, high cash flow, low debt, and stable earnings growth. They also look for specific characteristics that indicate the stock may be undervalued, such as low price-to-book ratios, low price-to-earnings ratios, or high dividend yields relative to the company's peers. The price-to-earnings ratio is a profitability ratio used to calculate a stock's value. Value investors use these metrics to compare a company's performance against industry averages to identify potential investment opportunities. It is important to remember that when investing in value stocks, there may be periods where your investments perform differently than expected due to macroeconomic forces or unforeseen events. Therefore, it is essential that you diversify your investments across different industries and asset classes so you can protect yourself against short-term losses while still being able to benefit from long-term gains. Potential upsides to investing in value stocks. Those who invest in value stocks may generate higher returns over time than other investments. Diversifying your portfolio with value stocks can reduce risk and increase stability for your investments. Investing in value stocks can be a fantastic way to learn about the stock market, as you'll have to research before making an investment decision. Value stocks often are less expensive than other types of supplies, so there is potential for more significant gains when they appreciate. Value stocks are less prone to volatility and generally remain stable, which makes them a good option for those seeking consistent returns over long periods. Value stocks are usually less affected by economic downturns, making them a safer option for those who want to protect their investments. Growth stocks are expected to grow at an above-average rate compared to the market. These growth stocks tend to have higher price-earnings ratios, but their potential for growth makes them attractive investment options. These growth stocks may be from established companies with a history of growth or startup companies with innovative products or services. It's essential to research before investing in value stocks and always be aware of potential risks associated with this type of investment. With patience, however, you could see great returns from investing in value stocks. Where can I find value stocks to invest in? Finding value stocks to invest in can be tricky, but there are a few strategies you can use. First, look for companies with solid fundamentals with good prospects for growth. It would help if you also research the company's financial statements to ensure they are in good health and not over-leveraged. Financial services industry investments can be an excellent option for diversifying portfolios. Many financial services companies offer value stocks, which are stocks of companies whose stock prices are lower than their expected worth in the same industry. Additionally, compare the stock's price to its peers, giving you an idea of its potential upside. Finally, consider investing in industries or sectors with positive news or momentum. These could be great opportunities for value stocks. You can uncover hidden gems that could boost your portfolio with careful research. Make sure to diversify across industries and sectors. That way, you will only put some of your eggs in one basket. Investing in value stocks can be rewarding if done correctly, so why not take advantage of this great opportunity today and start building wealth for tomorrow? Out of all the investments above, one has been on people's minds for several years. Cryptocurrencies have been all the rage, and storing cryptocurrencies in a safe place is vital. The most secure way to store your cryptocurrencies is on a hardware wallet. Out of all of the numerous options, there is one that we wholeheartedly recommend. Affiliate disclaimer: Moovmynt is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and its content. Learn more. Are you looking for a secure cryptocurrency wallet? Then Ledger wallets are the perfect option. Supporting stringent safety protocols, their wallets can protect your digital assets with ease. Don't take risks on security. Check out Ledger wallets now. Check our previous post if you want more information about wallets and safely storing cryptocurrencies. Final thoughts. Value stocks can offer an excellent opportunity for those with the patience and knowledge to find them. You could reap the rewards from these undervalued stocks with adequate research and savvy investing. Just remember to diversify your portfolio across industries and asset classes to reduce risk while taking advantage of potential long-term gains. The forces of supply and demand drive stock prices, which are influenced by factors such as economic conditions, company performance, investor sentiment, and geopolitical events. Thank you for reading. Disclaimer: Moovmynt provides educational content only. It should not be taken as professional financial advice.